Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 44th video in PyQt5 GUI Programming with Python 3. In the last video we have covered about radial gradients in PyQt5. In this video we are going to cover conical gradient in PyQt5 QPainter. Okay, this was from the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, I highly recommend you to watch the previous videos. Okay. I have made a new Python file in here at name of conical gradient. Just simply I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here and simply change the title to PyQt5 conical gradient like this. Now if I run this, you can see I have a nice window. After this I need some imports. I copy these imports from my radial gradient video. Just copy these two imports and paste it in here like this, and change this to QConicalGradient. Okay. Now I'm going to write my paint event and change this to event. Okay, make a painter object, QPainter, and set your pen like previous video. Set pen. Okay, let me copy my set pen from the previous video simply. And yeah, this is the set pen. Painter.setPen. The color is black, and let me change this to read, and the size is 4, and that is solid line. Okay. Now I'm going to make a conical gradient object. Conical gradient, QConicalGradient, and in here you give Q point. The first one is 100, 100, 100, 100, and give this to this 10. Okay. Now set the color. Conical gradient dot set color at, and 0.0 we give it qt dot rate, and conical gradient dot set color at, and 0.8 I give it qt dot green, and in dot set color at, and 1.0 give it qt dot yellow. After this, set your brush, painter dot set brush, q brush, and write the conical gradient. And at the end, just simply draw rect 10, 10, 200, and 200. Now this is our conical gradient. Let me run this. You can see now we have a conical gradient color. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my channel.